Lord of the Rings inspired dagger made from popsicle sticks. Today we're going to take a look at my newest blade. This is inspired by this blade. This was the original one, then I found another one that I liked better, and I thought I'd copy it. This one. So it's inspired by the elven blade that Aragorn carried in Lord of the Rings. I'll show you how he got to this point. I traced out the shape on a jumbo popsicle stick, and then once I got the shape right, I cut it out with a razor knife. And after some sanding and adding a handle, it was nearly complete. I started on the scabber by tracing it out on a jumbo popsicle stick, and then cutting it out. I used coffee stir sticks to bend on the scabber and glued it in place with super glue. Then worked on the embellishments on the scabber and the dagger. I covered the dagger and scabber with a multi-purpose sealer and then painted it with black sterling silver and sequin silver, and then it was nearly complete. It turned out really nice. I liked the paint job. The first time I've tried to do a different type of scabber with the pieces. I think it really turned out nice. I painted the blade with some silver paint, but that sparkle paint really makes it stand out. I think it turned out really nice. I really enjoyed building this blade. Didn't turn out exactly like the inspired piece. But close enough. I think it looks really good. This was a fun blade build. I really enjoyed trying to recreate a blade that I was inspired by on Pinterest. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions on what blade I should try to create next, put it in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.